Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video you have learned about some get data from one form that's we have added here in the views and with the route. So in route you have check we have added some validation. Currently I have removed the code from here using the express validator which we have used. But in that case, today in this video we will learn about some MongoDB. What is MongoDB? So whenever we will get the data here on request.body, so that data will store on our some in cloud or in your local drive. So that's called MongoDB. We will store our data in MongoDB. So already we did the configuration here. That's DB. We already give the host, port and DB name. You can change by their name, correct? So and the next is you already give here on the app.js. This is the db.index.js. Here we added our configuration part. So this is the URL and this host, port, DB name we are getting from config default.json. So if you can check on the db index.js, that will be MongoDB host, port and DB name. So whenever it will create a connection, it will check if it is connected or not. Otherwise it will throw an error. So in the app.js you can check we require this DB file, and in that we added one connection, db.connection. So this is the coding part which we can convert from our code to MongoDB, correct? Let's see how we can download that. So first of all, this is the URL. I will mention in chat in description. So you have to write only install MongoDB, and you can install from here exe, or there will be one more file, exe and msc. So this is the version 1.4.2.3. You can check that is stable. It whenever you will write here download, MongoDB for Windows. So first tab this one you have to click, and whenever you will go here, it is a cluster, I don't think so it will work for you. This is for sales for MongoDB plus Windows 10. We will use this one, database. Again it's opening this MongoDB. View documentation, you can check here. Okay, after that here we will get some point. So this is a cloud provider region, deployment type, correct? And there is a, if you will go here, see, this will, whenever you will click here in install, it will give you installation. So this is the platform you can change here. Automatically it will give you Windows 16 and 10 plus. So you have to just download and use it. After that you have to, there is only a software which will install on your background side. But for user UI, what should you have to use? So there will be a Mongo Compass. I already have installed, so you can download from here Mongo Compass. So this is the UI which I am using. So this is my saved connection. This is server based, but on locally it will connect here automatically. So you can check here which database we are using, get of truth. So we will use this one. Hope you like this lecture. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.